This is a new equipment we bought for developing the smart cable, and it also have like a SDK. Here we try to debug the board. It's already fetched in developing board here. The SWD is blinking. This means the emulator is working done, and ECP stop at the main functions, and we need to resume the program or to start the Bluetooth application and sensor acquisition. So we have to look the mobile application in here, and we need to deploy the Android application on this laptop. Not laptop, this is a tablet. And so we start the debug mode. Let's see screen on the application. We will restart that. It also show the screenshot, this spec screen and smart cable, and go to the application inside, and we will show on the emulator on the PC also, the same page with the device. So right now the device is also advertise the information from the device. Tablet, we try to connect the device there. The device we detect the equipment via the Bluetooth transceiver here, and we need to activate the device what we need. So inside the board, we just retrieve the temperature and pressure on the board sensors, and it's update every second. The data will update every second. So on the PC also update the skin, the similar. It's also the same skin on the tablet. So we try to rocking the sensor what we need to retrieve the data and save in the format as CSV file. Actually, we reserve for support the database and logcat and the cloud in the future. And currently, we try to demo the CSV file. We already setting, and we go back to sensor page, and we try to record that. 1 second, and we try to stop to record that, and they will ask to send the email that CSV attached file. So we try to click the OK. The Android will ask the tool you want to send the attached file, right? Maybe you can push inside the Google Drive or Team or whatever you want. Currently, we try to name on the Gmail by email. Okay, this is his email attached inside, right? Okay, I try to send to my account, my email account, ANOL, this is me. Okay, and send. Okay, let's see on the email what we got. The file from tablet. Okay, is there? Got that. Okay, we have the two files from spread different sensor, right? We have the temperature sensor and we have the pressure sensor here. Firstly, we open the temperature. This first. This is the CSV format, and in the dataset what we export from the device we have, and we show every minute we receive the value here. And another file, this is pressure size. We also have the pressure value from that device sent via the Bluetooth device, and through this file to my email. This is what we done on the New Year holiday. Thank you.